All right, the next thing we're going to go over is accepting alternate forms of payment, such as a gift card. So this guy comes in, he wants to golf. There's only one guy, he doesn't have any friends, by himself. $20 is what he owes. You tell him, hey, $20, and he pulls out a gift card. So you go pay now, go to the gift card right here, and you look on the back and the number, you punch in the number, hit submit. The gift card was for $1, so that takes that off, and then you just cash them out like you typically would. I hit cash, boom, 19 bucks, and it's a done deal. Sometimes people will bring in rain checks. What you do then is, let's have a good example here. All right, this $30, pay now. They have a rain check. Now, same type of thing. The rain check will have a number on the back. You punch that number in, hit submit, and it would do the same thing that you just went through, but this time it's with a rain check. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.